Meaning of cyclotron. Cyclotron. Cyclotron.
Cyclotron. Cyclotron. A cyclotron is a type of particle accelerator that uses a magnetic field to accelerate charged particles in a circular path. The particles are injected into the center of the cyclotron and then accelerated by a high-frequency electric field. As they gain energy, the particles spiral outward until they reach the outer edge of the cyclotron. At this point, the particles can be extracted for use in experiments or medical applications. Cyclotrons are commonly used to produce medical isotopes for diagnostic imaging and cancer treatment.